clear, yes. So I become more zen after I suffer from anxiety. Now, what is the cause of anxiety? I don't know. So there are different causes. Why would you feel anxious? If I tell you how do you become more zen, I don't think meditation would help people who are feeling anxious, because when you sit to meditate, the first thing is anxious people will feel, am I doing it right? This is the correct method. And anxious people tend to be very fidgety. So they will be like, when is this meditation going to get over? Okay. Or this is so boring. So I wouldn't suggest that like meditation is meant for everyone who's anxious. Yes, it does help tremendously calm you down. There are documentaries on this. There are journals written about how you can be more zen, more peaceful through meditation. If you don't like that, or if that's making you more anxious, that's absolutely fine. What you could do is you could light some candles. Yes, there is also another zen feeling. Light candles, aromatic candles. You could have these see, when you have these bells, why do temples have bells? So the vibrational sound of the bells, they remove the negative energy in your space. There's a sound therapy behind the ringing of the bell. There's a science behind it. It's not just kept there. So every religion has a scientific purpose or scientific reason behind it, whatever is done in ritual in every religion. So when you talk about feeling zen, this is what I have done, and you can do this too. So light some aromatic candles. You could put on some calm music, and you can, in today's day and age, you have every kind of music online. So Google for zen music or meditative or calming music, and mostly don't listen to music which is rap or which is rock and roll or rock music or heavy metal. Don't listen to this kind of music if you want to feel zen, right? So you would want to listen to instrumental music, right? So anything instrumental that you could listen to. You could listen to something like the flute. If you like the flute, I like the flute. So flute, instrumental music. If you like the piano, then piano, guitar, whatever instrumental music you like, listen to that, which has no lyrics. That's the best way to feel zen. Light some aromatic candles, smudge your room, and take a bell and ring it all over your space. Okay, anything negative that has been accumulated in your area will immediately move away, will break. It will clear off the negative energy. Okay, so these wind chimes, you can keep a wind chime. That's how I make my place zen for my tarot sessions. So I have kept wind chimes, I have kept aromatic candles, I smudge the place. You can also in the background listen to soothing music. That's enough, and just sit and journal. That is enough to create a zen state. If you find meditation boring, if you feel you can't concentrate, that's what many people say, I can't concentrate for a meditation. This is what many people say. Actually, you don't need to concentrate, you just need to let go and just be in the present moment. That is meditation. But if it's too technical, too complicated for you to understand or to carry it out, fine. You don't have to compulsory do meditation when you're feeling anxious. That's okay if you cannot. Okay, try this technique. It has helped me. And sit and take a notebook and journal your thoughts. Or what I do is I'll take an oracle deck and I'll just pick a card for the day or the message for the day. You can do that. The best way to feel zen, shortcut, quick method, switch off your phone, switch off the television. You will be immediately connected to the present moment. You will feel zen and you will feel peaceful. That's the basis of the intention of why you ask the question. You will immediately feel peaceful. Okay, just try this social media detox for a day. It's okay, we'll miss you if you don't join us on the live session, but take one day off from social media. Switch off your phone completely, not the whole day because you would get calls, but I'd say that when you want to have your own space, switch off your phone, switch off the television, switch off everything, and just sit quietly in the room alone by yourself. That's a shortcut and quickest way for anybody. If you don't have candles, if you don't have sage to burn,